Hi Capricorns, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of January 2021. Before we dive into this video, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy new year. I hope the new year brings a lot of cheer into your life. We are also grateful for you for joining us on our journey. Please subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and acquaintances. Thank you once again. Let's just dive into your reading. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use oracle decks that I have here. Possibly a love oracle deck. The oracle which we are going to use is Archangel Raphael. Towards the final days of December 2020, stepping into January 2021, we have the Empress card. Certainly you were someone who was seen as a magnetic personality. Definitely you had made gains, but they didn't seem adequate enough for you. There may have also been work offers, but you were very apprehensive about it. Nonetheless, I think you were socializing a lot and you were forming new friendships. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Ten of Swords. Capricorns, you will be under pressure this month, no doubt, but pressure also prepares us for greater things in life. Sometimes you may also be helpless, or you may feel helpless as your family encounters a lot of problems. In fact, you may also be frustrated as your instincts are ignored. Possibly you also have to step in because workers are not there, or colleagues are not there, or they are absent from work. So you have to take the onus and take responsibility. Capricorns, you should also be on your guard because knives are being sharpened behind your back. As you see the swords, Ten of Swords, this person is facing the ground and knives are there, or swords are there on his back. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be a cash crunch, but you should be thankful that someone could come in and rescue you. Influences for the month, we have the Ten of Pentacles. It's a time to capitalize, no doubt. It's a time to cash in or promote yourself. Like I said, there could be gains, but there could also be financial issues that could crop up. Maybe there could be disagreements within the family on account of financial matters. Ideally, you should make hay while the sun shines because this energy may not be there again. Besides, Pentacles is your energy, which is the earth energy. Sometimes you may also feel that your views are being ignored. Maybe you don't want to budge, or you don't want to give an inch because you always feel that you're the one who has to surrender to the whims and fancies of family members or loved ones. This month you should also be careful because there could be legal problems, or there could be new changes within your life which you have to deal with. The first 10 days of January, we have the Justice card. As you sow, so you reap. And we clarify the Justice, so we have the card, the Star. Certainly minor gains can be expected in this period, but you may feel as though it's not good enough. There will also be emergency situations that you're dealing with this month. Basically, you cannot fight destiny. Also, I think Capricorns, you should polish your skills, so it is the best time to learn something new, or in case you want to add to your skill set, then you could do so. Capricorns, I think you should follow your hunch. Maybe your expectations are not met, but then something is better than nothing. From 11th to 20th January, we have the card Page of Wands. Capricorns, there will be an uprush of energy, and you should capitalize on this energy because you're quite restless and you want to achieve a lot. Incidentally, rewards will come in and your output will be appreciated. Besides, your creativity will also be on display. Communication will also bring you gain, so make the most of it. On the other hand, those who are at the helm of affairs, I think you should be more accommodative. You should be not too bossy. Maybe you should make allowances for your juniors. Maybe you're someone who is quite finicky and you want everything done your way. It's my way or the highway. So this could obviously make your juniors unhappy with you. Nonetheless, between 11th to 20th Jan, I think you'll be able to unearth the real purpose of your life. You'll get clarity. Like I said, fate is playing a big part in your forecast this month. Towards the final days, that is 21st to 31st Jan, we have the card 10 of Wands. A lot of tens have come in your reading, so this is definitely the time of some completion. Like I said, destiny is playing a huge part in your life this month. There may be work offers to acquaintances. I think you should also ask for clients, or you should make demands. Maybe you could quote a higher price. Some rewards can be expected for Capricorns in this period. Even if there are burdens or even if there are pressures, you are going to come away making some gains. With respect to your love life, I have the card Crossroads. Maybe you are undecided about how you should proceed. Maybe you have two choices before you in matters of the heart, and that is why you cannot decide how you should move forward with your love life. Certainly, Capricorns, you will find that people are flirtatious, or they want to get your attention. Even there could be somebody showing an interest in you on matrimonial sites or on dating sites. There is also a sense of calm that you feel. Maybe if in case you're crushing on someone, perhaps you could send a message across to the person. Maybe he's not going to reciprocate right away, but then you may also feel a sense of calm because you've already made the approach. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you have been dishonest or insincere in the relationship, or unfaithfulness could also be a factor. That is why you want to move away from your relationship, or you want to kiss goodbye to that relationship. You understand that you have been dishonest and your mistake is entirely yours. Those who are romancing, I think your lover will reaffirm his love for you. Maybe you are going to discuss work-related strategies which you need to implement at work. Sometimes you may also find that your person is quite aloof and detached. And other times you may find him reading book extracts, or he could ask you to read some romantic extracts from books. On the other hand, married Capricorns, as I think you will come away feeling quite distressed as you realize that your spouse is keeping a tab on you. Possibly he is watching your every move. Ideally, I think both of you should be tolerant of each other. In case you are in an extramarital relationship, I think Capricorns, you should be careful because you feel you are at the crossroads because you desire commitment, or maybe you are making date plans, but he says that work will come up. So you wonder whether he's making an excuse or he is being honest. Another message that we have from angels is black, lack, rebellion, pessimism. So sometimes there'll be periods when you may feel quite low and disheartened or distressed, but you know that you need to understand the problems or why you're encountering those problems, because we have the Ten of Swords as well over here. So maybe the burdens are there, or there's betrayal on the card. So that is why you need to reflect, and you need to also take a backseat or understand or be cautious in your dealings with others. From Archangel Raphael, I have the card Have Faith. Archangel Raphael is asking you to trust or have faith in the miracles, or have faith in the process in case you're in a situation which is quite demanding, or in case your health is a factor or health is a cause for concern. It's better not to fret over the situation. Rather, Archangel Raphael is asking you to believe and trust the process because an end is in sight. I hope Capricorns, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.